Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your username in chess.com. Now, for some reason, you want to change your username. It's actually pretty simple. You want, of course, to be signed in on your chess.com account. And once you are logged into the homepage, I want you to look to the lower left corner. So these are some of the icons here. You have two persons, your inbox, which is the envelope, your bell or notifications, and of course the cogwheel. This is what we want to click, or the settings icon. So when you click the settings icon, this pop-up will appear, and I want you to choose the first option that says all settings. So once you click on all settings, you're going to be brought to the settings page. Now, in the settings page, you're going to have a sub dashboard here compared to your main pretty much menu here, or main dashboard. This is going to be it. So I want you to click on profile, right? So click on profile like so, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see details. Now under details, it's the very first option that you can change, which is your username. So click on change like so, and you're going to be brought to this page. Now you just need to put the new username you want. For example, you want, hi, hello, how are you? There we go. It's gonna tell you what you need for your new username, and after that's done, you want to click on change. There you go. We have already changed our username, so it's that simple. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.